Did you know, according to a survey by the Pew Research Center, nearly 70% of travelers prioritize finding budget-friendly stays? Scoring a fantastic hotel deal can feel like winning the lottery. By being a savvy travel hacker, you can unlock serious savings and stretch your vacation budget further. So, welcome back viewers, I'm Kev from Planet Travelers, and in this video I'm going to share my top 7 tips on how to find cheap hotel deals, and we'll be cracking the code on hidden discounts, loyalty program hacks, and sneaky ways to score luxury rooms for less. Get ready to stretch your vacation budget further than ever before. This adventure starts now. Tip number 1. Flexibility. It is an important factor to consider, so be sure to check this before booking. The last few years have shown how quickly and unexpectedly travel plans can change, so it's worth looking for a hotel where you've got no quibble rights to change dates or cancel for a refund or voucher without charge. Many hotels, even cheap ones, will offer free cancellation up to a certain point, usually 24 to 48 hours before your arrival time. If you change your mind, and some won't require payment until then too. Have a careful look at the terms and conditions for your cancellation rights before you book. You may not get free cancellation if you're asked to pay upfront, so it's especially worth checking in that case. Second tip, find last-minute hotel deals. No hotel wants to be left with empty rooms. That's why plenty of sites out there offer special last-minute deals for hotels that aren't fully booked out. That way, the hotel doesn't lose out on money by leaving rooms empty, and travelers can scoop up great deals. Win-win situation. However, it's important to remember that last-minute deals aren't always cheaper than booking hotels in advance. And since good hotels can be booked up long before you're looking for any last-minute deals, you may miss out. It's always worth comparing the price of these last-minute deals to the price on the hotel's official website or on hotel comparison websites. And this brings us to the next tip. Use hotel comparison websites. We always recommend you to take some time to research whatever it is you're buying or booking, including hotels. Doing so can help you scout out the best hotels for the best price. This is where hotel comparison websites come in. On these sites you can search for hotels that match your preferred price range and location. You can usually also read reviews here to see how other travelers experience their stay. It helps to use a couple of hotel comparison sites to find the best deals. Not all hotels are included in every hotel marketplace, and prices may differ. You can start by using a couple of these ones mentioned below. Beyond the big guys, unlocking hidden gems. But wait, there is more. Don't just rely on the big booking sites. Believe it or not, contacting the hotel directly can sometimes unlock hidden deals, especially during shoulder seasons, those magical in-between times when tourist crowds are smaller. Hotels might be more flexible on rates to fill those rooms, so don't be afraid to call and negotiate. Compare sites and deals. How you book your reservation can make a big difference in costs. Get an overview of hotels in your desired area, but don't rely on them to give you the full picture. Go on to research those hotels on your own. Search for promotion codes and perks such as free parking, breakfast, or Wi-Fi. And don't neglect a hotel's own website. Some chains promise the best rate when you book via their site. Negotiate your rate. Once you know the lay of land, select a few favorites and pick up the phone. Tell the hotel the price you found via other sites and see if they can beat it. And our last tip is explore alternative accommodations. Finding a hotel isn't your only lodging option. You can rent a room, apartment, or entire house via sites like Airbnb and HomeAway. Hostels are a great option for budget travelers, especially those venturing outside of the US. Don't worry, you don't need to share a dorm-style room with a mass of 19-year-olds, unless you want to. Most hostels offer a handful of private rooms with en-suite bathrooms. Alright Planet Travelers, that's it for our deep dive into finding the sweetest hotel deals. Remember, with a little flexibility and these ninja techniques, you can unlock serious savings and turn your dream vacation into reality. So, what are you waiting for? The world awaits you! Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Until next time, this is Kev signing off and wishing you happy travels on budget.